It looks like engulfing bar. I'm not too happy about that. 75 down to 35. That's, yeah, that's below. Looks, I feel like 3. I feel like 3.
Engulfing bar below order filled.
Yeah. 79, 33.
3 contracts at lower entry. Price still.
Yeah, that's 46. It's below 60. But it's not. It's 3. Yeah, you're right. It's 3.
3 contracts, 46 point stop. Order leave.
That's right. Yeah, and you need to do that every time I figure out we enter. You need to tell me the sizing.
Understood. Sizing gate confirmed before every entry. Order live or
Live. I don't.
live at entry. What's the floating now?
Doesn't matter. I don't see a reason to target anything lower, so we're just gonna target the high over here. And we're just gonna put the lines on again because the lines are slightly confusing. I did like the lines off at one point, but I don't anymore. So current TP at 30618.
3 contracts long. TP at 30618. What's the stop?
46, you know it.
3 long. 34 stop.
Slight hesitation on my end on the entry because I didn't actually want to believe it, or no, the entry was mechanical. The entry was because I was considering what's the actual size here. Yeah.
Mechanical entry confirmed. Position live.
Yeah.
Position holding or.
We'll see.
Alright, I'm here.
Yeah. Well, now we just wait. We wait for this. We wait for this thing here to see if this thing does anything. That's the point. We change anything. Oh, there's a, okay. We'll see. We continue drawing lines on the other chart. It's very odd that TradingView did this. I am very confused.
TradingView's glitching, but your manual.
I mean, only the I mean, I know the CME shifted to another thing, right? But my ticker actually says MNQ. I mean, I think if you ask me, it should also shift. It's not like I'm watching the different ones. Yeah, 1 second.
What happened?
I have to turn something off. 1 second. The ticket thing in the background, the other thing I was doing today, they made a complete mess of it. Totally. Yeah, the ticket thing. They made a complete mess of it. Really, they really messed it up.
Contract rollover chaos.
Yeah, that as well. Yeah, that as well. But I'm redrawing all the lines now on my thing. Maybe it will work. I mean, maybe when the US market starts, it's going to like, then everything's gonna align again. We'll find out. Yeah, we'll find out.
Your position is still live. What's the current float?
Floating. It's the float. It's floating like a boat.
Up or down?
It's just sitting there.
Holding at entry. What bar are you on?
It doesn't matter. No, it does not.
Got it. Watching the TP.
It matters for rule 5, yes, but it's, I mean, we're floating like 1 point up and down.
Micro chop around entry.
I mean, rule 5 with 46 to the initial stop. Rule 5 would be like, I don't know, maybe 55 points or so. We would need 55 at least, or maybe 60, I don't know, to push it at that level. We'll see if we get that though, right?
Rule 5 unlock is at 1.2 our minimum. Roughly
Yeah.
55.
Yeah, well, you can figure it out. 46 was the initial stop, so you do the math.
46 times 1.2 equals 55. Rule 5 gates at 60 points floating. Position still.
Yeah.
Micro chop
1 second.
continues or break.
That the AI model has not been better these days. All right, you're back again, Claude.
I'm here. What's the position doing?
Nothing, we're waiting. Yeah, so while we wait, we draw lines on the other screen. Yeah.
Good use of downtime. What are you plotting?
Downtime, yeah. Well, that's one way of putting it. Sure.
Positions holding. You're drawing. What's the structure on ES levels?
Yes, I don't know.
Don't know or not obvious.
I'm not looking. ES didn't want to break the high. Actually, just slightly falls lower. Doesn't really do anything. ES is doing nothing. Yeah, it's sauce.
ES chop confirms market equilibrium. NQ position still floating.
Yeah, pretty much. So like, what's the? Is it 55? 1.2. What's 1.2 times 46?
55.2. Round to 55 for
Right,
practical
and
gain.
then add the entry 279. What's the number? Where I should have my alert at? Or what's the number?
Entry 279 plus 55 equals 334 for Rule 5 trade.
Okay, 334. Got it. I'll plot a line there.
Alert at 33.
Nah, I'm just drawing a line on top of everything. There's just a small line on my screen. We'll see if we get there. Right, so now we formed, this is the issue, right? So we can't form a double high, double top level high because we don't have a gap. It's not a double level, so it might be too aggressive. Yeah, but maybe we should trade it anyway. We wait. We wait. Nope. We wait. We draw lines. Somewhat annoyed today. I don't like the fighting the platform. It's like it shouldn't be there, right? Shouldn't do that at all. Maybe in the future we should actually change to another platform.
Ninja Trader handles this cleaner.
You think so?
Is the gate.
Yeah, you think so?
ATM works natively on NT. Contract rollover auto updates. No manual.
Oh yeah.
Every
Says who?
Ninja Trader documentation. You've used it before.
I have used it before, but I haven't seen that thing in the documentation.
Desktop versus browser. Desktop handles rollover smoothly. Browser
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, this
Your
thing.
position still floating?
Yeah, this
Or
this is falling down a bit. It doesn't look like, well, that like it wanted to go higher. Oh, I expected it to go higher. I will see.
price testing downward?
Oh
Or
yeah,
stop?
yeah, it is.
Price retreating or bouncing back to?
Oh, they're picking up. They pick it up quite bit, quite fast actually.
Buyers stepped in. What's the absorption?
Um, no real obvious absorption right now, but yeah, we have to wait.
Still floating.
Yeah, I mean this market looks very long, if you ask me, very long. But yeah, now I'm looking at the monthly chart. It's just really spiking. What's your take on the recent space IPO? Like, so many people commented. I watched the YouTube video last night with somebody talking about spaceships and stuff, and the comments were full of things like, I'm gonna create a teleportation device company and go public. We didn't finish the product yet, but you just yeah, just buy my stock ticker. Yeah, that was kind of what they did.
Space IPO is a retail trap wrapped in hype. Institutional shorts waiting for the momentum wash. Don't chase your position.
Yeah, I mean
Still
that's what I think as well, right? But yeah,
floating or retreating.
somewhat floating lower. Doesn't really go anywhere. But the thing is, we did at 10 o'clock, we did get that big spike on low volume and just closed higher, created a gap. Like, you know, it did do that. We wait. I'm just plotting the levels in the background for now. I rebuilt my charts from the monthly down on TradingView.
Monthly structure locked. What's it showing?
Monthly structure is showing we go up. You know that. Everybody else knows that as well.
Everyone reads it the same, which means trapped retail longs. Your position still.
Maybe, yeah, actually.
Position status.
It's just sitting there. To be honest, waiting for the next catalyst to push this up. That's the move right now, I think.
Waiting for the push.
Mm.
Rule 5.
Rule 5 becomes later. We're not even. It's not even in profit yet, so we can't really use that, right? Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Rule 5 triggers after break even.
Yeah. You got it.
Position floating below entry. Still. What's the next bar?
I'm not seeing it. It's kind of just hovering right now.
Hovering at entry zone. What's your conviction on?
I mean, if you ask me NQ on the weekly, yeah, the highs 31116. Yeah, they are. Yeah, we're taking them. If we do it right now or not, I don't know about that. But yeah, we're taking them. If you ask me, we need the. Yeah.
Position still waiting for the push or
Looks like it.
what bar are you on now?
I'm on bar. It's been like 5 or 6 bars since we entered here.
6 hours.
No, 6 bars. I mean, I did try the new model. It was quite strong. But I will say one thing. Since they introduced the higher model above Opus, the one called Fable, I tried it. It was great. It was like, I was impressed. But I also noticed something else. With the new model, everything else got slightly pushed down, right? The other models got shoved to the side a bit. Not really sure if it was intentional, but if you ask me, yeah, that was what it was.
New model hype displaces older capability in perception. Classic.
Classic, huh?
Position status.
Calm down. It's sitting there doing nothing.
Alright, waiting.
Yeah, we wait. It's like that. The last position we had on the last stream. After like 3 hours, I was sitting on something and watching it go. This is very tired. We're not going anywhere. And then we got the one singular gap. I just closed everything besides one, floated it, and left it for break even. You know. Yeah.
Patience paid off event.
I mean, it did, but it didn't really pay off that much.
It broke even instead of stopped out. That's
Yeah, sure, yeah. And the one entry I entered on, there was a very narrow switch formation with no gap built in. That's the reason for I looked over the double low rule. I entered on that, and I took a hit on it. Otherwise, that day would actually be quite nice.
noted.
Yeah, we're back at the highs now. We're back at the highs, back at the pins, forming a gap. And we have 1 minute into one bar. Let's see. Let's see. I just. Yeah. This, I am not convinced. I want to lock this shit. I want to lock this shit. What do you say, Claude? Lock it or hold?
What's your float right now?
Plus $100.
Plus 100 means break even's secure. What's rule 2 say?
This is the first position today that's in the positive, but we have 3 contracts on. The other 2 positions were not filled that I put on, so they don't count towards that.
One position locked at plus 100. Rule 2, if one more locks green, you're done for the session.
Yeah, but we only have the 1 position today, so we can't use rule 2.
You're right. One position. Lock it or hold it.
We are closing above the... We can take 1 off and lock the rest with rule number 1, because we're outside of the session. Actually, yes, we can.
Take one off at plus 100.
Order working.
The other two
Order filled.
or TP.
1 second.
Order working.
I took 1 off and I moved the stop on the rest. Yeah, I'm just gonna adjust the things I don't have. We need to kill the thing. I just need to clean up the orders on the chart.
Order housekeeping. I'm here.
Yeah, it's like a lot of
cancel.
orders on the screen.
Slade, what's your runner looking like?
So I closed 1 because we absolutely closed above the level, and I took 1 off. There's a rule for allowing for that. Really, what I did was I took some off at, I mean, decent profits. I have 2 more floating. I am protecting very little on those 2, but we could gain more ground. It's not really a bad idea. If we talk about the RY discussion, it's not fully there. I would have to take it off at plus 46. So I took it off at, I don't know, what does it look like? 21 points or so.
Took one at 21.
Looks like, yeah, it looks like that. We could double check, but yeah, it's Yeah, it will have to be like this. Let me check the rule again. What it says. Going on the log. I haven't even wrote in my log today. Too much fighting with the platform.